Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Golo Media. On my last video, I showed you how to create a verified PayPal account in Ghana and also how to create a verified US Google account in Ghana. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to change text on sites and also how to change prices on sites, like changing the prices of items on site to suit the amount of money you have on your debit card or your credit card. Let's take it for instance, you have $100 on your credit card or your debit card, but the item you want to buy is a $500 item. I will teach you how to change the price on that site from $500 to $100, which is an educational video. This video is not for illegal purposes, and the changing of the taxes and prices on sites are not permanent, they are temporal. So guys, hit the notification bell, subscribe and like to receive any notification or any new video. You'll be the first person to watch. If you've watched my former or my previous videos, you know that all the hacks and all the things I bring to you on this channel are genuine. So guys, let's go into the video. Okay guys, now all what you need is to open your web browser. You can open your Mozilla Firefox, your Chrome browser, or any browser you have. I'll be using a Microsoft Edge browser. So the tool that we're using today to change our text and prices on different sites is the Inspect tool. Inspect tool, we have been seeing them on daily basis, but we don't know what we don't know what the Inspect tool is used for. It can be used to change text and prices on sites. So guys, I'll be teaching you how to change text on site first before I teach you how to change prices. So let's search for anything like school books. Come down and type, click on it. You can choose any site, like you can search basically anything. I choose to search for school books. So when you come down here, you can change any text that you are seeing here, any text that is displaying on this bar. You can change any, but I'm choosing to change this text rather, featured categories. All what you need to do is to click on the featured categories and a dialog box will appear. Then you scroll down, you see Inspect. That is the tool that we are using to change the text and the price on site. So you click on Inspect. When the Inspect tab opens, you see a highlighted column here. Then you click inside the highlighted column, then you see Edit as HTML. You click on Edit as HTML. Then you select what you wanted to edit. You wanted to edit featured category, so you come here, you click where you want to edit, you clean the featured categories, then you type, let's type food source. Then now you click outside, then you close your Inspect tab. Now you see the featured categories that is now changed to food sources. You can do the same for any other text on this site or any other site. So now let's go to how to change price of items on different shopping sites around the world. So let's search for Amazon.com. Click on Amazon. Then let's type television. You can type anything, you can type phones, anything. I choose television. So you come to, yeah, these are the televisions, different types, brand and their prices. You choose your desired television you want. So let's take the Amazon Fire TV 43 inches. The price is $299. So you click on the price, you select inspect. When it opens, you see the highlighted column here. You click on it and you click on edit as HTML. Now you see there is a cursor blinking inside. You use the arrow key to rotate or locate to where the price is. That was $2.99. You clean it, then you type the suitable price you want. I want to buy it for $1. Then I'll click outside. Then you close your tab. Now you see that the Amazon Fire TV is now $1.99. So when you click on it, you open. You have to first sign into your Amazon account so that you can proceed to check out, then buy it. But I've not opened my Amazon account, so you, the person watching, or my viewers, you can open your account, then do it straightforward. But guys, you should know that this is not a permanent method. It is just temporary, and it's for educational purposes, not for illegal purposes. So guys, be careful. You can do this too in other sites, not only here, any shopping site. So let's type televisions again. And let's go to any site that you can buy televisions from. Let's search specific. So let me type. You search for Best Buy. Click on Best Buy. Then you search for televisions. And now you see different types of television here. So I would like to change this one. $389. Just click on it as I showed earlier. Click on inspect. Then you click inside the highlighted area. Select edit as HTML. Then you come to where the price is. You erase it. Then you type 2 because I want to change the price to $2. Then I'll close it. So now the Insignia 65 inches class LED TV is now $2. So guys, this is how to change prices and text on site. So if you follow this procedure, you would be able to do same and to buy it. So here you can add it to cart, then you proceed to payments, then you buy it. So thank you guys. Okay, lovely viewers, if you probably follow the procedures that I showed you in the video, by now you will be able to change the prices on sites to suit your budget. Don't forget to hit the notification bell, subscribe, and like the video. Please share this video for the family Golo Media to grow. The more you help us, the more I'm eager to help you. Thank you. See you next time. Peace.